Hello, good morning to all of you. Boys, I have already explained to you the unique property of carbon, okay, in previous video. Today, I am going to discuss another topic, hydrocarbon. What do you mean by hydrocarbon? Hydrocarbon is made up of two parts. Hydro means hydrogen and carbon means carbon. It means the compound containing the compound containing carbon and hydrogen is called hydrocarbon. Okay, the compound containing carbon and hydrogen is called hydrocarbon, such as CH4. In this compound, carbon and hydrogen is there. Another is C2H6, another is C2H2, another is C2H4. Okay, can you give this type of compound C2H5OH? Can you consider this compound? It is known as hydrocarbon or not? No, it is not a hydrocarbon. Okay, because oxygen is here, so you can't consider as hydrocarbon. Okay, it is clear. Now there are two types of hydrocarbon. Let us see. First is saturated hydrocarbon. Another is unsaturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbon, how will you define it? Saturated hydrocarbon, the hydrocarbon in which each carbon is bonded with single covalent bond is called saturated hydrocarbon. General formula of this hydrocarbon is CnH2n plus 2, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3, so on. It is also known as alkane. Okay. Now come on, unsaturated hydrocarbon. Unsaturated hydrocarbons, the hydrocarbon in which any two carbon atoms are joined by double covalent bond or triple covalent bond is known as unsaturated hydrocarbon. Okay, once again, the hydrocarbon in which any two carbon atoms are joined by double covalent bond or triple covalent bond is known as unsaturated hydrocarbon. If any two carbon atoms are joined by double covalent bond, then that type of unsaturated hydrocarbon is called alkene. Ene suffix used for single covalent bond. Ene suffix is used for double covalent bond, alkene, and Yne is used for triple covalent bond. Now another general formula of this hydrocarbon is CnH2n, where n is equal to 2, 3, 4, so on. Now let us see here, alkyne, an unsaturated hydrocarbon in which any two carbon atoms are joined by triple covalent bond is known as alkyne. Yne. It means Yne means triple covalent bond, Ene means double covalent bond, Ane means single covalent bond. Okay. Now its general formula is CnH2n minus 2. where n is equal to 2, 3, 4, so. Okay. Now, it is clear that there are two types of hydrocarbon, that is saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbon is known as alkane, unsaturated hydrocarbons are alkene and alkyne. Alkane, single covalent bond, each carbon atoms are joined by single covalent bond. In alkene, what? Any two carbon atoms are joined by double covalent bond, and in alkyne, any two carbon atoms are joined by triple covalent bond. The general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3, so on. Here, alkene, general formula of alkene is CnH2n, where n is equal to 2, 3, 4, so on. Alkyne, general formula of alkyne is CnH2n minus 2, where n is equal to 2, 3, 4, so on. Okay, it is clear? Now let us see that how will you write the members of this alkane and alkyne. Now before that, you have to consider the name of number of carbon atom. If the number of carbon atom is 1, then what will be the prefix name? You will write the prefix name, what? Meth, M-E-T-H. If the number of carbon atom is 2, then it is called eth. If the carbon atom is 3, then it is called prop. If the carbon atom is 4, then it is called but. If the atom is 5, then it is called pent. If the number of carbon atom is 6, hex. 7, hept. Okay? 8, oct. 9, non. And 10, that will be dec. Okay, it is clear? So, in case of alkane, the prefix ane will be added. Methane, ethane, propane, butane, etc. But in case of alkene, you will add ene, suffix. In prefix, you will add ene in case of alkene and yne in case of alkyne. But you will keep in mind that first member, methane, is not possible in case of alkene and alkyne, because according to definition, double covalent bond or triple covalent bond will be placed in any two carbon atoms. So alkene and alkyne, first number carbon atom will not be possible. Okay, so in next video I will discuss the nomenclature and the family or members of the alkene, alkane and alkyne. Okay, it is clear? So before that, you will go through this prefix name that will help you the writing the nomenclature of alkane, alkene and alkyne. Thank you very much. Okay, I will see you again.